Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'd like to show you how to unblock someone you have previously blocked on the Instagram app. If you have blocked the account by accident, you can unblock immediately afterwards straight from the profile. As you can see, immediately after I blocked the HubSpot account in my previous video, before I came away from the profile page, it says, Unblock. As I also said in my previous video, how to block someone on Instagram, you can't find a blocked user by typing their name in the search bar. To unblock someone, you will need to go into your settings. Start on your profile, then head for the three-lined menu in the top right-hand side of the screen. When the menu slides up from the bottom of the screen, hit the top option, Settings. The next option you'll want is Privacy. You'll need to scroll down to the bottom of this screen to find a section at the bottom called Connections. Alongside restricted accounts, muted accounts, and accounts you follow, you'll also find blocked accounts. That's the one you'll want to tap next. On this screen, you'll find a list of accounts you have blocked. I only have the one, HubSpot, that I blocked to show you the process in my previous video. As you can see, on the right-hand side there is a blue button that says Unblock. A pop-up will appear, asking you to confirm that you want to unblock the account. You can either cancel the action, or hit Unblock again. For a moment, it will say Unblocking on the screen, and then another pop-up will appear. This one will confirm that you have unblocked the account, and also reminds you that you can block them again from the account's profile. Now, you will be able to see all of the account's content, how many followers they have, how many accounts they are following. You'll also be able to search for the account again, in the search bar. And that's that. You have successfully learned how to unblock an account you previously blocked on Instagram. I hope you found this video useful today, but please let me know if you have any questions, or would like to suggest another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to see more social media marketing and content creation tips and tricks. Have a fabulous day.